Alright, so a couple little things I did here. I put a guard over all the chain there next to your leg, since everyone says it sucks your pants in. But anyways, I put a stop inside too, so you push on it, it won't touch. It's got quite a bit of clearance. So, well, I mean, the crank's going to be roughly about here, your pedal. So, I mean, it should be enough to protect your pants from getting sucked in. I needed a muffler of some kind. So I had this off the 2-stroke build. And I guess they make an adapter and stuff anyways, but that sucker comes out like here. And this pipe, I guess, burns the crap out of you and all that fun shit. Anyways, I machined my own spacer last night out of a piece of billet. It looks like it's rough. This is actually a mirror finish. It's just because I used 1/4-inch milling bit in the CNC machine. Anyways, I used some 8mm bolts that are, what the heck were those? 60, I think they were 65mm long. And then I used 6mm bolts and threaded them in. So I got a gasket and a gasket down in there. I cut it to fit the design of the fins and all that, so don't have to modify anything either. But the end goal was to get it away from the frame, but close to follow. So if you can see, I got about a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch. I mean, that was how I was aiming. So the way I cut the angles and stuff. But now it's not out here like that other adapter that you buy. So it works pretty good. Sounds fine. I mean, I'm not trying to make a race machine or anything here, but all in all, I think this is going to work really good for my project. So anyways, that's where we are at. Alright, valve cover breather sold. Let's see if we can. Alright. Alright. Good. So here is the cables. Redid all the cabling, all the wiring's encased. I still have all the connectors and stuff free. I left the kill switch on here, and I also wired up this one. So that's all sleeved too. One other thing I had to do, I used a spring out of a centrifuge clutch to make a return. It wasn't fully returning with the little cheap spring that was on there. So it's one mod. here's the tires that I got. Everyone said these grip really, really well on the sand. The asphalt here is brutal with sand on it. Like I tried the hookworms, and you actually will slide across the damn pavement. So these are like they're like a BMX tire, like a BMX stunt tire for mountain bikes. So it's a 2.25, so 26 inch. One other thing I did, I cut the, what do you call it? Left the baffle in, but I cut the tube out and made it, I think it's 19 millimeters, something like that. So that's where I'm at with that. Made some mounts. Okay, I want to get banana seat about like here, back, about there. I can't put a support because of the disc brake. I can't mount it. It would hit the disc brake. I've seen some that are offset, they go around, but I can't seem to find any. So what I did, since I'm not using the side pull brakes, I took the studs, measured them out, made 2 aluminum blocks, and then tapped them this way with 5/16 bolts so I could put a riser up to the seat underneath. So I'm gonna do it like that. Anyways, alright.